Hello everybody. In this hands-on Databricks tutorial, we will explore the dynamic world of the Delta Lake and PySpark, unveiling an efficient strategy for seamless schema evolution. Our journey kicks off by summoning the mighty Spark Season and crafting a sample data frame adorned with an initial schema. Join us as we guide you through the enchanted process of writing this data frame into the mystical data table, unveiling the secrets of the reading it back and conjuring a user-defined function UDF. This UDF performs a magical feat, calculating the custom correlation like a measure between the hairs of our tail, age and height. Experience the magic of the Delta Lake as we added the correlation age height column housing our unique correlation measure. Witness the clarify of the original data table, the creation of the new schema, and the selection of the relevant column for our refresh data frame. In the grand final, observe seamless schema evolution as we update and integrate with the mystical merge schema option. Let's go. First of all, import necessary PySpark module. Okay, here from PySpark.sql import Spark Season. Okay, from PySpark.sql functions as UDF and column. Okay, and from PySpark.sql types import import struct type, struct field, and string type, integer type, and float type. Okay, sorry. Okay, and next step is to create a Spark Season. Spark.season.builder.app name. Okay, app name is schema change dot get or create. Okay, and next step is define sample data frame with the initial schema. Okay, it's sample data frame. Okay, it's data and columns. Okay, the first it's basic schema. Okay, and define the data frame Spark dot create data frame. Okay, and data and columns, and next step is specify the path for delta table path. Okay, and here mnt. Okay, delta table 3. Okay, L3, and next step is write the data frame to a delta table, and next step is overwrite any existing data. Data frame that write that format be as a delta, okay, and that mode is overwrite. Okay, it's overwriting any existing data, and that save. Okay, and here delta table pass. Okay, and next step is with the delta table back into a data frame. They'll define the delta data frame. Okay, spark that read that format is the format is a delta, and that load is table, sorry, delta table pass. Okay, and define a user define function UDF to calculate a custom correlation, like a measure between the age and height for each row. Okay, correlation UDF delta df that with column, okay, and correlation age height, okay, and here, oh sorry, okay, and UDF lambda age height float age minus height, okay, and float type. Okay, and add new column correlation age height to store the custom correlation like measure, okay, and delta df, okay, and delta df that with column correlation age height, okay, and here correlation UDF column age and column height, okay, and display the original delta table. Print original delta table, okay, delta df that show, okay, okay, and next step is define the new schema with the additional fields. Okay, we define these three fields for basic schema, okay, and this field is new, yeah, correlation, age, and height, okay. And next step, select only the relevant columns for the new data frame, new df, okay, and here delta that select name, age, height, and here relation, age, height. Oh, delta, sorry, delta diff. Okay, and display the data frame with a new schema. Print data frame with the new schema. New df that show. Okay, and finally write the data frame with the new schema back to the delta table with the merge schema option. New df that write that format, okay, delta that mode, override, okay, that option, and merge schema true, that save, and delta table pass. Okay, thank you for watching.